Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys, another tune by Michael Jackson. This one is Beat It, and it's in E flat. Despite what it says on Ultimate Guitar. But it actually starts on a weird note, a G. Well, I guess that is the third, but not the minor third. So we're starting like in E minor. Guess, or maybe it's deliberate because then we're a semitone down. Right? Maybe it's just like a precursor, like a way to just jump into the song. Who knows? That bass line is coming up now. I'll get it right this time. There we go. It plays the minor chord, E flat minor. It plays the third, the first, the third. Oh, I learned to speak. The first, the third, and the fifth. But an octave up, then the 9 or the 2, depending on what you want to call that. If we're starting here with the root, then that would actually be the 9. And you can play it with one hand. I'm actually cheating and playing with two hands. And you can do a slide up to that F, or you can use two hands. Let's try and do it in two hands. No problem. Okay, verse 1, let's go. E flat minor 7. Again, minor chord, you can often put the 7 in. They told him, don't you ever come around here. And that is C sharp or D flat. I'm going to stick with D flat because I called this one E flat. So let's stick with flats. Down the tone to a major chord, D flat major. Told him, don't you ever come around here. Wanna see your face, you better disappear. It's just the same two chords. And then we go down to B. The fire's in their eyes, and their words are very clear. Back to C sharp. No, I should say D flat. So beat it, just beat it. Okay. E flat minor to D flat major. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, this ain't. Don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. I can't sing that low, but I also don't want to sing high. So beat it, just beat it. But you wanna be bad, alrighty. We go to the chorus. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. No one must be defeated. Show 'em how funky strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's from the right, just beat it. Here's an important part for you to know. The rhythm of the song. There is some of this going on. And then that does go on a lot throughout the song. You hear it, it's a guitar part, but just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Alright, that's the chorus. We just played that. Let's move on to verse 2. After we go, just beat it, just beat it, just beat it, beat it. Verse 2. They're out to get you, better leave while you can. The same chords again. You wanna be a man, you wanna stay alive, better do what you can. So beat it, just beat it. Alright, we go around again. You have to show them that you're really not scared. You play with your life, this ain't no truth or dare. They'll kick you, then they'll beat you, then they'll tell you it's fair. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Let's scroll it up. Show 'em how funky strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's on the right, just beat it, just beat it. And that's the whole song, except for there is a big guitar solo, which is so good that you can actually sing along to it. It's really good. I wish I could play it for you, but I can't. I can do my own little thing. that's enough for me for today. It's very late. Let's stop there. That's Beat It. And next up on the channel, I might teach Thriller because it's there on his list of most popular tunes. And that's on Tidal, but I'm sure it's on Spotify the same. Thriller. And also, Don't Stop Till You Get Enough. Have to teach that one too. As always, if you like the video, then please click like and subscribe to get the latest piano tutorials on Between the Keys. And I don't know why I did that, but I shall see you in the next one. And please comment if you have any requests. See you there in the next video. Goodbye.